Mineral buildup in toilet jets is visible if you look for discolored scale and interrupted water streams under the rim. Start by removing the tank lid and flushing to observe how water enters the bowl and where it flows under the rim, because a weakened or uneven stream often points to partial jet blockage. Use a small pocket mirror and a flashlight to inspect the small holes under the rim for white chalky deposits or brown crust, since those are typical mineral residues from hard water. If jets are clogged, soak a flexible pipe cleaner or a small bottle brush in distilled vinegar and gently work it into each jet to dissolve calcium and lime without damaging porcelain. For persistent deposits, fill a plastic bag with plain vinegar. Secure it over the rim so the vinegar bathes the jets for several hours, then scrub and flush. Repeat weekly until the flow is restored. Avoid metal picks that can scratch and create pits, where minerals will reattach more quickly, and always wear gloves and eye protection when using acidic cleaners. If the jet openings are eroded or the flush remains weak after thorough cleaning, consider replacing the bowl or consulting a plumber to evaluate flushing mechanism design and water pressure. Common mistakes include assuming a weak flush is only due to low water level, which misses rim jet blockage. Check and adjust the tank fill first, but also inspect the rim jets directly. People often use harsh concentrated acids or abrasive tools that pit porcelain and make future buildup worse. Instead, use mild acids like vinegar and soft brushes. Another issue is treating only visible bowl stains rather than the concealed rim jets, so use the mirror and flashlight technique every few months and schedule a soak if you see deposits. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to give contractors a place to get work and connect with clients. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we exchange troubleshooting tips and real-world fixes for issues like toilet jet buildup.